Спасибо, Раф. Вот как найти в молитве усердности, чтобы молиться больше за других, что понять, что ты молишься и хочешь создать что-то в
How
другом
to find the stubbornness of praying for others
эту молитву сделать больше настоящей.
when you understand you want to do good to the friend and not to yourself, how to do that?
It depends on how much you feel dependent on others. That you feel that you are dependent on the others. That's the problem. It's very important to feel that I am totally dependent on the state of those around me. Absolutely. Meaning, I don't look at each one as an individual, but I look at the environment that he is in, because he's totally dependent on his environment.
Egoistically, this environment of the friend, I see how much he depends on me and not I depend on him.
That's what it seems to you like now. You're dependent on him, he's dependent on you. Therefore, the mutual responsibility is necessary for us to help each other rise above our situation.